How to install ChatGPT in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to install ChatGPT, it's really simple. You just need to go to your Microsoft Web Store. You can even go and search it on the search option on your taskbar. And then once you open it, you'll need to go to the search bar and then search for ChatGPT and hit enter. And now you'll need to tap on the ChatGPT app. And then once you tap on it, uh, you'll find the get option right there. So just tap on get and then it will start installing. Just make sure that you are logged in into your Microsoft Store. And that's it. It will get installed after a while. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.